In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create really beautiful AI clip art in minutes using Canva. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create really beautiful AI clip art in minutes using Canva, from start to finish, so you can add custom graphics to your projects without drawing a thing. To begin, open Canva. You can use the web version or the desktop app. Either way works the same for this tutorial. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Magic Media. This is Canva's built-in AI image generator, and it's what we'll use to turn a simple description into polished clip art. Next, select Image. That opens the prompt box where you describe exactly what you want. Keep your prompt clear, specific, and focused on the essentials: the subject, the style, the colors, and the background. For example, you might type, "Cute pastel cat clip art, flat illustration, white background." Short descriptive phrases like that help the AI understand your vision and avoid unnecessary details. Consider a few adjectives that capture mood or finish, like pastel, bold outline, or minimal shading. Keep it to one main subject for a clean, sticker-like result. Mention a white background if you want an easy cutout for collages and mock-ups. With your prompt ready, choose a style. Options like illustration, flat, or cartoon guide the overall look of the image. If you want something minimal and clean, flat is great. For a more playful feel, cartoon can add character. Pick the style that matches the vibe of your project. Think of style as your art direction. Picking the same option across images keeps a cohesive look. Now set the aspect ratio. For clip art, square works best because it fits easily into social posts, presentations, and stickers without awkward cropping. Select a square ratio to keep your design balanced and ready to use anywhere. A square frame also makes arranging assets simpler later because you won't fight extra empty space on the sides. When everything looks good, click Generate. Canva will process your prompt and produce variations that match your description. Give it a moment to finish. The results should appear automatically. Browse the results and choose the one you like most. Then click Add to Design. This places the clip art directly onto your current canvas so it's ready to include in your layout, alongside text, shapes, or other elements you've already planned. And that's how you can create really beautiful AI clip art in minutes using Canva. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.